What's up, oh you crazy box breaking car collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website. We are coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the 2011 Topps Precision excuse me, football. Here's the roster. Here's the box. This one's got 4 mini boxes with 4 cards per box. Go left to right. Here is mini box number 1. Alright, up first for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. Real nice thick cards. Pretty cool looking. Arizona Cardinals, Beanie Wells. And for the Tennessee Titans, on-card rookie autograph, Jamie Harper. Nice rookie running back hit there. That one is going to John L. There's no number on that one. Still very nice on-card auto. And last up for the Denver Broncos, no Sean Moreno. I don't see a number on that one either. Number 2. For Indianapolis Colts, Dallas Clark. For the Atlanta Falcons, Matt Ryan. Nice card for Joseph. For the Minnesota Vikings, we have a rookie on-card auto in gold Sharpie. This one is numbered 9/50. That is Kyle Rudolph of the Minnesota Vikings. Very nice short print hit there. That is going to Dwayne. And very careful, I'll show you the back. And for the Washington Redskins, Santana Moss. Alright, box number 3. Pittsburgh Steelers, Michael Wallace. Cleveland Browns, Peyton Hillis. The Green Bay Packers, rookie autograph, a nice size jersey patch for Alex Green. That one is going to Pat K. And there is no number on the back of this one. Still a very nice rookie auto jersey card hit. There you go, Pep. And for the Detroit Lions, Calvin Johnson Jr. And mini box number 4. Pull the back guy up front for this last one. First, for the Houston Texans, Matt Schaub. New Orleans Saints, Pierre Thomas. No number. For the San Diego Chargers, Antonio Gates. No number on that one. And the autograph is to the New York Giants, Antrell Roll. And is going to Michael P. And it doesn't look like there's any number on that one. Still a nice hit. Thanks again, everybody, for getting in tonight. Tomorrow we got the Gold Standard up. Wednesday we're gonna take the night off, and then Thursday and Friday we're gonna have all kinds of fun stuff up. So check back and get your spots. Good night, guys.